Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the cotton candy shot. I found this off of, I believe, TipsyBartender. It's a layered shot, so I'm going to have to do my best to layer things, which I'm not good at in general. But what you'll need is Rumchata, Tequila Rose, Strawberry Cream, and Hypnotic. This seems like an odd combination to make a cotton candy shot, so I'm just curious, and we're just going to go ahead and get down into making this, I guess. Everything's equal parts, as far as I was told. That might have been a little too much. Hard to tell. I'm going to put my little spoon in here. I'm going to try to do this as good as I could possibly layer stuff, which is not very well because I'm bad at layering. Is that about right? Maybe a little more. Yummy. I might have went a little overboard on the strawberry cream, but it should be fine. And then Hypnotic. Oh my god. Gotta be a little more careful with this one. That's kind of close enough. We're gonna go with that, and we'll see how it goes. So this is the cotton candy shot. My layering absolutely fucking sucks, as you can probably well tell. But let's take the shot and find out if it actually tastes like cotton candy. I remember trying this one in the past. I made this video like forever ago, and I found out the quality sucks, so I'm doing this instead, and we're gonna just figure out whether or not if it's true or not. Bottoms up. That's a bit of a stretch to be cotton candy. It's good, but it's a stretch. It could have been me not putting equal parts in, it could be the Rumchata, but I don't think cotton candy is the correct one for this. I don't see it actually being the correct thing. But overall, it's a relatively good shot. You can taste a lot of everything that's in here, especially the Hypnotic, because that's what you taste instantly is the Hypnotica. Then over the course of time, mostly you just taste the Rumchata. I don't really taste the Tequila Rose Strawberry Cream in it that much, which is weird because there was quite a bit in there. Overall, I mean, it's not a bad shot, but I don't know. It did not taste like cotton candy to me. Maybe I'm weird for that one, but yeah. I mean, if you guys want to give it a try out, give it a try out. Well, the aftertaste kind of tastes like cotton candy. After it's finally settled into my stomach and all the aftertaste finally come back, and I'm starting to taste that strawberry cream now, which is really awkward. Kind of tastes like cotton candy. The aftertaste, the initial taste, no. No, the initial taste just tastes like Hypnotic and Rumchata mixed together. Mainly Rumchata. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.